Hi guys, it's Meryl and here are my top 3 face powder recommendations for oily skin. By the way guys, disclaimer muna tayo. I am not sponsored by any of these brands, but you know, sana baka naman char. Okay, so let's start off with my favorite among the three. It's the Get Ready With Me Powder Rush Velvet Setting and Finishing Pressed Powder in the shade Cinnamon. And gusto ko siya because hindi siya kaagad-agad naguhulas. It really makes your makeup look good. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon actually. And kakauwi ko lang from work and guys, very minimal yung hulas niya. And what I also like about it is that, ayan, yan yung itsura niya first of all. Ang powder puff niya is not the traditional, you know, circular puff. Medyong angled siya. I don't know if tama yung term ko. And gustong-gusto ko siya kasi it helps you powder those hard-to-reach areas. And also, if you're looking for a very good face powder that makes you look good in photos, makes your makeup look good in general, or kapag mag-a-attend kayo ng events na gusto nyo pak na pak yung makeup nyo, I highly recommend this. I swear by this. This for me is the best among the three. And medyong pricey siya. I bought this for like $5.49, but it's worth it in my opinion. So this is my second favorite, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless face powder, and it's in the shade 228. Isa din ko siyang favorite at super love. And ayun, sa sobrang love ko siya, I already hit pan. And what I like about this is, like the previous powder, maganda din yung payoff niya, and hindi din siya kaagad-agad naghuhulas. And what I also like about this is that it's affordable. Mga 200 plus lang yung bili ko dito sa kanya. And if you're looking for a very good oil control face powder na affordable, you can go for this. Okay, number 3 is the Issey Makeup Fixing Powder in the shade Universal. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan siya. Alright, so guys, actually white talaga siya. Kaso nga lang, kung medyo nagmukhang brown na siya ng slight, it's because ginagamit ko siyang pang blot. Yes, this is a blotting powder, you guys. So ginagamit lang siya ng pang retouch. And since it's a white powder, my suggestion is that kung bibilihin niyo to at kung gagamitin niyo to, don't go overboard with it because it tends to leave flashback. And personally, ako kapag ginagamit ko siya, hindi ko ginagamit tong puff na to. May ganyan lang kasi nung una ginagamit ko siya, pero personally it did not work for me. So I suggest using a brush just like this. And yan, kahit konti lang yung ilagay nyo. Yan, tapos yan lang siya. So, if gusto nyo ng magandang powder na pang-retouch, this for me is the best. And yeah, ayun lang. Alright guys, so those were my 3 recommendations pagdating sa face powders that are good for oily skin. Yan ang nag-work para sa akin, and for such a long time, it has been a struggle to find very, very good face powders for me as an oily skin girly. Kasi guys, I'm not kidding, so sobrang oily ko, the Middle East has left the chat. Char! Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!